Hello, welcome to Super Math Help 24 channel, Math channel. We want to dive into dividing numbers and bases without converting them to base 10. I have a problem. Let's dive into the problem. Divide 303312 by base 4 by 32 base 4. That's our problem. Solution. Now, the first step is to generate multiplication table for the divisor 32. Now, remember that in base 4, the digits you use in base 4 are 0, 1, 2, and 3. There is no 4, 5, 6, and above in base 4. Therefore, if you're multiplying or dividing or whatever you're doing and you get those numbers have to be converted to base 4. So, principally stating that the multiplication table of the divisor will consist of just 4 numbers. It's going to start with the divisor 32 or 32 base 4 times 0. This will still give us 0. This is true for every base. 32 base 4 times 1 will give you 32. 32 base 4 times 2. Now watch this. 2 times 2 is 4. You can't write 4 because there's no 4 in base 4. So what do we do with the 4? We divide that 4. We divide that 4 by 4. It's going to give me 1 remainder 0. You write 0 and regroup this one. 2 times 3 is 6 plus the 1 you're regrouping from this one. That will be 7. Now 7 divided by 4 will give me 1 remainder 3. You write this 3 and then you write 1. That's 1 3. Now 32 base 4 times 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 2. You write the remainder and carry the quotient, which is 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus the 1 you're regrouping or you're carrying. That will give me 10. Now 10 divided by 4 will give me 2 remainder 2. You write the remainder and then write the quotient. Now this is where this multiplication table ends because these are the only digits you can use in base 4. You can't have 32 times 4. No, there's no 4 in base 4. So this is my multiplication table. Now everything I'm going to do will be based on this multiplication table. So let's dive into the division proper. So we have 32 here, and then the number we are dividing is 3, 0, 3, 3, 1, 2. I need you to follow me closely. Now 32 can't divide 30 because these first 2 digits are less than this. So you extend to the next digit. That's 1, 2, 3. 303. Let's divide this. Please don't think in terms of base 10 or you'll get everything wrong. Now go back to this. We are intending to divide these 3 digits. If you look at our multiplication table, you notice that this 3 digits is greater than the biggest number we have in this multiplication table, meaning that my answer here will be 3. Yes, there will be leftovers. It can't be 4 because there is no 4 in base 4. So we'll multiply this times this from our multiplication table. That will be 2, 2, 2. And then we'll subtract. 3 minus 2 is 1. 0 minus 2 cannot go. So I will regroup from here. What if I take 1 from here? What remains here is 2. Now the 1 I picked from this place becomes the base, becomes 4. 4 plus 0 is still 4. So what I have here is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now what we have left here is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we do away with it and then we'll bring down this. Now this divide this. Go to your multiplication table, noting that this number is greater than 120, that is 2, but is less than this. Therefore, my answer, when this divide this, your answer will be 2. Of course, there will be leftovers. or remainder. Now 2 times this from here will give me 130. Now subtract, bring down 3. 1 minus 3 cannot go. We'll regroup. Take 1 from here. 1 is remaining. The one you picked here becomes the base 4. 4 plus this one is 5. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. So we'll leave that, and then we'll bring down this. Now this divide this. Look at this base. This is 231. This is greater than the biggest number you have. You're telling me that when this divide this, my answer will be 3. And then when this multiplies this is this. It will give me 2, 2, 2. Now subtract. Now 1 minus 2 cannot go. Regroup. This becomes 2. The one I picked here becomes 4. That's the base. Add it to this, you have 5. 5 minus 3 minus 2 is 3. Then bring down this 2. Now this divide this is 1. This time this is the same value. Subtract, you have 0. So this is our answer. This is how you divide without conversion. Now this video is connected to the video I made previously on multiplication. In that multiplication, I multiplied this number and the quotient, and it gave me this. You can go back to that video and check this out. Thanks for being a part of this. Subscribe so that you'll be updated the next time we upload videos. Thank you.